Are you taking a picture?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go ahead.
It's a video.
All right, here we go.
It's okay.
It's a video. Okay,
yeah,
forget it.
that's good enough. Thanks.
Yeah. Oh no.
Way to go.
Yeah. Male 60 to 64, first place, Amos for Haran of Northport.
Hey, Amos.
We're going to have to see some proof. I'm sorry. We're going to have to see some proof.
He's 25. He just looks a little bit older. Okay.
Wow. Females, 30. Oh, I like those shirts.
Way to go.
I thought you said you just survived.
I did. I guess I was the only one in my group.
Briggs and Smith. Are you Smith or Briggs? Hi, Briggs. Congratulations. Where's Smith, Briggs?
At a bar mitzvah.
Okay, bar mitzvah. Okay. Commack.
Yeah.
Here they are. You guys doing all right? You look a little tired. All right, nice. Congratulations.
Way to go. Got it. It's a video.
Yeah, we're good. Is that Newsday tomorrow?
On the cover.
Oh,
All
penny
right.
saver. Penny saver.
Third place team Smith Seltzer. Smith.
It's going now.
Okay. Relay females, first place Marino Gibbs of Mount Sinai. What? Oh, Smith Seltzer. Oh, you guys, what are you drinking beer over there? Yeah, I know. What are you guys doing over there? You're standing right there. You come up like 10 minutes later. What's in? Yeah, I know. Hey, ladies, how are you? You get another one? Oh man. I'll give her plaque.
Nice.
I'm sorry.
All right.
Okay. I'm bad. Congratulations. You guys got a call down to the race director?
Right. Yeah, sure.
I'll never get home. I'll be laying in the woods somewhere.
Got it.
Okay. Single gear, first place, Greg Davis. Okay, but he came down and enjoyed it. All right, thank you. Okay, so my next one for the in the house. What's in your cup that's cold and dark? Congratulations. Soda. Gatorade.
Yeah.
I never saw Gatorade that color. What is it? Not this guy again.
No, this guy.
Oh no, not him.
He's
Drunk,
got,
yeah, what do you want to do? Adventure race or Xterra? What's the difference? Yeah, that'll be an adventure. You have to drink between every stop. No, that's okay. It's kind of race. Okay, next one. James Nolan.
But we got a bunch of races coming up, and let's have a big
Well, you have
turnout
to. You
now.
didn't say anything too soon.
Sue Murray, you were excellent second place finish against us, but we'll try again next year. But I'd like to thank everybody again for coming down and really putting a big show in. And as Brian saw down there, the race director, he put out to the club, we're the biggest losers he's seen.
To the drunk guys in the back.
I'm glad I've been building this club for years, and I really like the directions we're going. We're the new guys. Amos, would you like to say something?
No, you said everything.
I'd like to thank our sponsor, and Elijah Churchill's.
And I'll tell you what, I'm very proud of Mike and Paul Seltzer for coming up with medals, their first medals in the race. That's huge.
It is huge. Yes,
Second time, sorry. A couple more drinks and we'll finish up today. Sid, excellent job as a partner. Sid, I love you, baby. All right. Ole!
I'd like just to make sure all of you realize never to bring your family around this motley crew. Pretty embarrassing.
You're going to pay for this for years, aren't you?
That's exactly what I'm like.
We're all right with that.
Yeah.
Bob, you didn't have a nice day. You didn't have much of a speech either. But next year.
na bombi magangena mamunyu misi ubalo na tema na ye kolikela mamunyu jamana benanyana jecholi jaja beni kabara